Ayan guys, so yeah, ito yung aso naming si Winter, yung hyperdog.
Ang laki niya, no?
Oo nga guys, so laki niya.
Chubby siya. Now for the next dog.
Yeah, yung nanay. Hoy! Ay, umawa ka eh!
For the next dog is the puppies and...
Si Nay!
Yes, be fast. This is the puppies and the nanay.
Mother. This is the most cute. And this is the biggest one.
Ay, pangit na.
2 babies died.
Yeah, that was supposed to be 6.
Yeah, they were supposed to be 6. The other one escaped from the cage and it was raining so hard, so it was flooded. So
Now I will show the cat.
bro, I was not finished yet.
This is our cat.
Her name is Mia. The gray bitch. Excuse my word, no?
I will show you.